Oh, good.
I have bruxism.
You move your jaw to the side a little bit more. Open the mouth a little bit and breathe out. Easy going, yeah? Ooh. Oh, felt it. Good. Open your mouth right now. Oh.
So bad.
There. Again, this side a little bit. Breathe in, breathe out. Okay, easy going. Don't do nothing, easy. You feel? Now, check. Yeah, now it's getting more straight.
Yeah.
It's normal because the tension of the muscles is away.